Welcome everyone, I'm John from Agilit-e, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Kubernetes CLI on your local environment. And just a quick introduction in case you don't know, the Kubernetes CLI, which is also referred to as kubectl or kubectl, allows you via your local terminal or command prompt to interface with your Kubernetes cluster, whether it's on-premise or in the cloud. So here I have my Windows VM running, and I've opened up IE Edge to the Kubernetes documentation. So you just go to kubernetes.io/docs and do a search for setting up kubectl. I will provide links to this website on the notes in the YouTube channel or the blog that you're referencing this video from. So when you get to this page, what you're going to do is you're going to say, okay, fine, install kubectl on Windows, and you're going to download the installer from this link over here. I've already done that on my side. So if I go to my Windows VM, I am in my Windows VM, and if I go to the downloads folder, you'll see that we've downloaded the kubectl.exe. So the rest of the process is pretty manual. What we need to do is just go and find the place for this and then add it to our path and then access it from the command prompt. So what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to copy this exe. I'm actually going to cut it, and I'm going to go to this PC, and I'm just going to go to the C drive, and let's see which program files. Let's just put it on program files x86 just in case. And in fact, you know what, let's go directly in the C drive. I'm not going to mess around over here. I'm going to create a new folder, and I'm just going to say kubectl, and inside there I'm going to paste the kubectl.exe that I cut from the downloads folder. So now we have it over there. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to just go and add it to our path. So to add kubectl to our path, I'm just going to right click on this PC, and I'm going to go to properties. Then I'm going to go to advanced system settings, and I'm going to go to environment variables, excuse me everyone, and I'm going to highlight path over here under system variables and click on edit. That will take me to the list over here, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to say new, and it should be just c:\kubectl. So if I did that correctly and I click on OK, click on OK, click on OK, I can now open up the command prompt. And if this all worked out, I can just type kubectl, which will be the prefix for this, and version. And that's it. The Kubernetes CLI is now running on your local Windows environment. And that concludes our video for today. Until next time, cheers.